In this video, I'm going to show you how to block a page on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening your Facebook app. If you want to block a Facebook page, first, find the page you want to block. On that page, you'll see options like message, like, and 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots. A list of choices will appear, including report profile, block, search, invite friends, follow and copy link. Since you want to block the page, tap on block. You'll get a message explaining what will happen when you do this. If you agree with the terms, tap on block once more. You'll see a message saying that this lock won't apply to their other profiles. Just tap on close button. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.